guys, and today I'm going to be starting a survival let's play, so let's go. So,
What are you doing?
I'm just going to do this,
Yeah, you love that.
Why am I lagging so much? Wait, what? Why? Oh yeah, there we go. No, I'm not lagging. Well, I still am kind of lagging. So, like always, I'm going to make something.
You gonna get lower?
Did you want this?
So, yeah.
What bit that, Zaki? What bit that, man?
So yeah, if you saw the server pride, because I don't know if you know the world, I have had experience with them. If you do see it in the video, tell me in the comments, because I haven't seen them. Can I join you? Oh yeah. So yeah, let's just go. So yeah, now I'm going. Wait, I think I saw something. Nah, I didn't. I didn't see anything. So let's just go. Did I forget my crafting table? Damn it. I forgot my crafting table. Dummy. I'll be back in a sec. Okay, I'm back, guys. So I have to change my controllers. Okay, there. And yeah. So where was I mining? Oh, here.
Well, I was actually going to ask you. It's really talking to somebody before. I thought you would try. Hey, listen.
Oh, it must be Steve. Didn't realize. So I'm just gonna continue to move. Try the other try another. Can I try a new George charger? No, it doesn't need to charge. So anyway. Yeah, I'm just gonna stop the series here. I'm just gonna this is gonna be part 1 of the series. So see you later. Bye.